Today we're going to review verb phrases. Verb phrases, a group of words that does the job of a single verb, is called a verb phrase. So in a verb phrase there's only one principal verb, or if we want to say main verb, and one or more helping verbs. That means that we have to have at least two words to make a verb phrase. So here's an example. The tourist had lost their way. So we have had lost is our verb phrase. Had is our helping verb. And lost is our main verb. So we have had lost as our verb phrase. Here's another example. Laws are made for the good of the people. What are the laws doing? That's our subject. The laws are made. So are made is our verb phrase. Are is our helping verb. Made is our main verb. Are made is our total verb phrase. For the good of the people are both prepositional phrases, so we don't need those. Here's one with a phrase at the beginning. Without rules, there would be many arguments. So we don't need this. There's no verbs in there. There would be many arguments. Would be is our verb phrase. Would is our helping verb, and be would be our main verb. So would be our total verb phrase. Even though be sometimes can be a helping verb, this is our whole verb phrase. The main verb is always the second word. The helping verb is usually the first, and sometimes the second. There can be two, maybe even three helping verbs, but the last word is always the main verb.